Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us, anxiety. We're going to explore some powerful natural strategies that can help you find calm and regain control without immediately resorting to medications. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 proven ways to beat anxiety naturally. These aren't quick fixes that mask the problem, but rather foundational habits that can help you build resilience and foster a greater sense of peace from within. So if you're ready to take proactive steps towards a calmer, healthier you, stick around. Let's kick things off with our first natural anxiety buster: regular exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, natural mood lifters that create a sense of well-being. It also decreases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Consistent physical activity helps re-regulate your body's stress response system. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling are particularly effective. The key is to find something you enjoy, so you're more likely to stick with it. Think of exercise as an investment in your mental resilience. Next up, let's talk about what you're putting on your plate. The food we eat plays a crucial role in our mental well-being, including anxiety levels. Certain nutrients are particularly important for maintaining a calm and stable nervous system. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, as well as flax seeds and walnuts, are vital for brain health. Magnesium, found in leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, helps regulate neurotransmitters. B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, are crucial for the production of mood-regulating brain chemicals. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fill your plate with a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables. Choose whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, beans, and lentils provide the amino acids necessary for neurotransmitter production. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil support overall brain function. Conversely, some foods can exacerbate anxiety symptoms, so it's wise to limit them. Highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks can lead to energy crashes and mood swings. Excessive amounts of unhealthy fats can promote inflammation, linked to mood disorders. Small, consistent changes can add up to big benefits. A healthy gut microbiome fostered by a diet rich in fiber and probiotics can positively influence your mood. Hydration is another simple, yet often overlooked aspect of diet that impacts anxiety. Even mild dehydration can affect your mood, concentration, and energy levels. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Our third natural strategy for combating anxiety involves turning inward to the practices of mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation offer powerful tools to anchor ourselves in the present moment. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment with non-judgmental awareness. Meditation is typically a more formal practice where you set aside time to cultivate mindfulness. By regularly engaging in mindfulness and meditation, you can learn to observe your anxious thoughts and feelings without reacting to them. These practices help to calm the sympathetic nervous system and activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Simple breathing exercises are a great entry point. Body scan meditations can help you reconnect with your physical self and release tension. There are countless guided meditations available through apps and online resources. The key to reaping the benefits of mindfulness and meditation is consistency and patience. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Beyond anxiety reduction, mindfulness and meditation offer a host of other benefits. They can improve focus and concentration, enhance emotional regulation, and increase self-awareness. Integrating these practices into your daily life doesn't always require a formal meditation cushion and complete silence. You can practice mindful moments throughout your day. Chapter 4. The Restorative Power of Sleep. Why quality? Shut-eye is crucial for anxiety. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a fundamental biological necessity. When we're sleep deprived, our emotional resilience plummets, making us more susceptible to stress and worry. The link between sleep deprivation and anxiety is well established. Lack of sleep can amplify the brain regions associated with emotion, particularly the amygdala. Most adults require around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Improving your sleep hygiene is key to getting better rest. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Ensure your bedroom environment is optimized for sleep. Dark, quiet, cool, and comfortable. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can signal to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. Avoid stimulating activities before bed, such as using electronic devices. Sleep plays a critical role in hormone regulation, including those related to stress. When you're well rested, your body is better able to manage cortisol levels. If you find yourself lying in bed, unable to sleep due to racing thoughts, get out of bed for a short period and do something relaxing. The long-term benefits of consistently getting adequate, high-quality sleep are immense for managing anxiety. Prioritizing sleep is a powerful act of self-care that supports not only your mental health, but your overall physical health as well. Chapter 5. Nature's Remedy. How spending time outdoors soothes anxiety. Spending time in nature can lower cortisol, reduce blood pressure, and decrease heart rate. Even short, frequent exposures to nature can make a difference. Consider it a mini retreat for your mind, available whenever you need it. Chapter 6. The Strength in Connection. Social support for navigating anxiety. Our sixth strategy for naturally managing anxiety focuses on the power of human connection. We are inherently social beings, and our connections with others play a fundamental role in our emotional well-being. When we're facing anxiety, feeling isolated or alone can significantly amplify our distress. Conversely, having strong social support can provide a crucial buffer against stress. Loneliness and social isolation are known risk factors for a range of mental health issues. Sharing our worries with a trusted friend, family member, or support group can help to normalize our experiences. The simple act of talking about your feelings with someone who listens empathetically can be incredibly therapeutic. Building and maintaining healthy relationships takes effort, but it's an investment that pays dividends for your mental health. Nurture your existing relationships by making time for loved ones and practicing open and honest communication. Social support can come in various forms: emotional, practical, and informational. Finding supportive communities, whether online or in person, can also be incredibly beneficial. Support groups specifically for anxiety allow you to connect with others who truly understand what you're going through. It's important to remember that when it comes to social connections, quality often matters more than quantity. Focus on cultivating connections with people who are positive, understanding, and respectful of your feelings. Take stock of your social connections. Are you nurturing them? Are there relationships you'd like to strengthen or new connections you'd like to build? Reaching out can feel daunting, but the rewards in terms of emotional support and reduced anxiety can be immense. Chapter 7. Calming the Jitters. Limiting caffeine and alcohol for anxiety relief. Our final proven way to naturally beat anxiety involves taking a closer look at two common substances, caffeine and alcohol. While they might offer a temporary boost or a way to unwind, both can significantly impact your nervous system and exacerbate anxiety symptoms. Let's start with caffeine. It's a powerful stimulant found in coffee, tea, soda, energy drinks, and even chocolate. While it can increase alertness and concentration in moderation, for those prone to anxiety, caffeine can mimic or worsen the symptoms of anxiety. It can trigger jitters, nervousness, a racing heart, and even panic attacks in sensitive individuals. Caffeine also can interfere with sleep, especially if consumed later in the day. Now, let's turn to alcohol. It's often used as a way to self-medicate for anxiety, as it can initially have a relaxing effect. However, this relief is temporary and can often lead to a rebound effect. As alcohol wears off, anxiety can return, sometimes even more intensely than before. Understanding your individual sensitivity to these substances is key. If you decide that limiting caffeine or alcohol could benefit your anxiety, it's often best to do so gradually. You could start by reducing the number of caffeinated drinks per day, or replacing some alcoholic beverages with non-alcoholic alternatives. Exploring healthy alternatives can make the process of cutting back much easier. The benefits of reducing your intake of caffeine and alcohol can be significant for anxiety management. It's about making conscious choices that support your mental health in the long run. So there you have it, 7 powerful, natural, and proven ways to help you beat anxiety and cultivate a greater sense of peace in your life. We've covered the importance of regular exercise, a balanced diet, mindfulness and meditation, adequate sleep, spending time in nature, strengthening social connections, and limiting caffeine and alcohol. I truly believe that by incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can make a significant positive impact on your anxiety levels and overall well-being. Start with one or two methods that resonate most with you, and gradually build from there. Be patient and compassionate with yourself throughout this journey. I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences, tips, and any questions you might have in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.